a bird that comes and goes, singing songs of love, living a life so pure and free, without so much to care. Why can't I be like a bird, free from all my dreams? But I can't sing like a bird, 'cause my mind ain't so free. You were there in every song I wrote. You were my voice when I sing. A bird can tell a bit about the sorrow I feel when you were not around. Someday I'm gonna sing like a bird when there ain't too much to lose.